on? I think it's on. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another flip video for Mr. Volkman's class. I am not Mr. Volkman, but I am Mr. Mint. And I told you I would not miss another video. Today's video is about the types of maps, and it's for chapter 1.6. Please remember, guys, this video is meant for education. It's meant for you to learn. So if there's anything you don't understand, please make sure you stop the video and rewind it. All right, off to you, Mr. Volkman.
Well, thanks, Mr. Mint, for that introduction. You did a fabulous job. You're hired. So we are going to talk about different types of maps for chapter 1.6. And the first map we're going to talk about is a physical map. Now, you may hear Mr. Volkman throughout this year and also in the next couple years, if you're in my class, talk about a physical map. And you may be wondering, what's a physical map? Well, a physical map basically shows, first off, elevation, how high something is or how low something is. It also can show where items made by nature are located, such as rivers or mountains. Here are two examples of two physical maps. This map right here is a more traditional physical map. As you can see by the little bumps right here, we can see that the elevation is high. We can also tell they're probably mountains. There's no bumps here, meaning the elevation is lower. We can see lakes, we can see rivers. The colors on this map, on this physical map, also tell us about the temperature as well. This map also is a physical map. Now notice it doesn't show the elevation, but it's still a physical map because it's telling us about what the area looks like in terms of its geography and nature-made items. You can't really see because it's pretty blurry, but we can see the orange is deserts. This light green is grasslands. So again, two different types of physical maps. The next kind of map is what's called a political map. Again, another type of map that I will be talking a lot about over the coming year and years. A political map shows boundaries between countries, states, and counties. Every once in a while, that bell goes off. We can see here this map is showing the political boundaries between a number of countries in the Asian continent. We have China, India, Russia. This map here is showing the political boundaries between states in the USA. Again, political maps show the boundaries between countries or states or counties. Last, we have really what's called special purpose maps. These are maps that aren't necessarily political maps, though a lot of